Y'all ever heard of Bussies? I'll tell you what, I tried it for the first time the other day. Loved it. Didn't think I would, but I love Bussies. Big fan of Bussies now. Real friendly place. They told me to come inside. I did. Had the time of my life. I actually left for a minute. Came inside again. Just as much fun the second time around. I'll be honest, I'll probably stop for a Bussies anytime I see one from now on. Y'all should too. You know, give it a shot. Try Bussies. Look, they even got this little Bussy beaver guy up here. That's pretty funny. Try Bussies.